Which
This is Dijkstra's algorithm. Here we will be having a distance array and cost matrix. Distance array will be storing all the distances from the source vertex to all the other vertices. So here we will be having a node source ij, scanner, number of nodes, Dijkstra object instance is called. Cost matrix weight as usual, 1 to nodes, the cost of each extent. If it is 0, make it as 999 for the calculation purpose. Enter the source vertex. So this is a single source shortest path. We can take it as any source. I have taken it as 1. Calculate with all the nodes and the source vertex. Then print the source if I is not equal to source, that is if 1 should not be printed as the value, it will be from 1 to other vertices it will be doing. When it is 1 it should not be printed, when other vertices it should be printed. So calling the calculation part, calculate n and s, that is number of vertices and source. So here we are assigning a flag like visited. We can use it as easy visited also or flag. So minimum position is 1, for I is 1 to n, all the vertices flag is set to 0 whether it is visited or not. This distance dot I is equal to this cost of s to I, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, like that it will be storing, because source vertex we have to consider. Count is 2. Count is initially 1 for source vertex, count is 2. So while count is less than or equal to n, minimum is, here I have taken it as 99. It is infinity, or you can take it as 9999, anything. For k is 1, if distance of k is less than minimum and the flag is not set, that means it is not visited, minimum will be the distance to k. K is any other vertex, that is 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Minimum pos is equal to k. Flag of minimum pos is equal to 1. So you got the next minimum value. So C++, once you get the minimum value. For k is 1 to n, if this dot distance of min pos plus this dot cost of min pos to k, that is from 1 to 2, if there is a distance of, for example, 5, 1 to 2, and 2, there is a path from 1 to 3, 3 to 2. 1 to 3, 3 to 2, whichever is small. So this is less than 1 to 3, 3 to 2 is less than the direct distance 1 to 2, and it is not visited, it is visited, then the distance 1 to 2 will be the distance from 1 to 3, 3 to 2. So 1 to 2 will be if 5, and 1 to 3 to 3 to 2 is 2 plus 2, then you will be getting 4 as the distance from 1 to 2, not 5. So here the number of nodes is 3052. So I have taken this example. Vertex 1. The shortest path from 1 to all the vertices is 1 to 2 is 4. So here actually 1 to 2 is 5, which is made for is 1 to 3, 3 to 2 added. So initially it was 5. Then it is changed from 1 to 2, sorry, 1 to 3, 3 to 2. So 1 to 3 is 2. 3 to 2 is again 2, so that is added, and this is what is the Dijkstra's algorithm, which finds the shortest distance from the source vertex. If there is a direct higher distance, it will take the minimum shorter distance from many vertices which is connected from the source to that destination.